Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, refers to digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. If you're a beginner interested in learning about crypto, here are some key points to get you started. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions, control the creation of new units, and verify the transfer of assets. 2. Blockchain technology. Most cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain, a decentralized and distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. It ensures transparency, security, and immutability. 3. Popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC, is the most well-known and widely adopted cryptocurrency. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP,